This is what happened. We put some trim down, put some paper up, and a window in. A little bit of tape, staples.
Today we're gonna put the jet on.
Yeah.
First thing we gotta do is the J mold.
What a tape measures. Yeah, do the zips off. Put that tin piece on there.
Yeah.
But that's okay. That's
Because it'll go up and we'll have to scribe it to that angle. And then it'll go around here.
How bad was that putting that window in?
Oh, the window was easy.
the window was easy.
Yeah, we just leveled it off a little bit with shims and it went right in. It's almost like we measured the hole and everything.
I know.
Should I?
Have you not learned from past experiences?
You're not cutting anything, it might be alright.
That's two. I'll get them after.
You gotta go up a little higher.
I shall go. 14 3/8. Take one of the shortest.
Well, it is the shortest one. I won't get the end of this if I cut it wrong.
Use a square too.
A square? What the hell are you using a square for? Cut this one. Okay, I'll be back. It isn't. Can't get better than that. It's like factory cut.
Factory cut? Too bad these pallets aren't factory cut.
Too bad they weren't dimensional pellets. For free. I'm gonna have to go that way so I can get on the end and push on it. So I go that way a little bit with the ladder. You know what I mean? The last time I couldn't get. See, in the fall, we'll just put a chair up there, like an easy chair, and then we'll be able to take our bows and just as a deer walk by, pick a big one.
Oh, the shed.
I give that up. I said dimensional lumber.
Dimensional lumber.
Yeah. This pellet thing, you know, it's a thing me and him do together, and you know, a little bit of fighting, and I got to teach him every once in a while. But other than that, it's been going pretty good.
You gotta figure yapping and figure out how to do his window.
What do you mean yapping? You don't have to do a J trim up there. You already got it.
Right.
Okay. So you cut your thing flush here, but here you've got to overlap it. You either overlap it this way.
Yeah, I know.
So you hide your joints, right?
Like you don't want it to have, like, you wouldn't want another piece on top of it, and then rainwater gets in here, goes in behind the sheet metal. So you always gotta, that other piece has gotta sort of go behind it.
I got you.
Okay, so maybe you had a good point. Maybe we'll put this piece in, and then we get an exact measurement of what we need.
Both of them, yeah. Use that.
this on the bottom.
Europe. That's a little bit of a shimmy to it, eh? We are moments away from getting the
Again.
3 hours later.
He jinxed us.
I know, well, the shit happens. Hey. If we cut this section out here, then we'll have a nice angle here, and our tin will be able to go in here and up here without getting stopped by anything.
We're probably not doing this right, but
Looks good.
We're learning as we're going.
Yeah, this is true.
I hate cowards. That's right. All right.
That I did.
There you go, the beaver.
Sure, he would cut it frickin' straight too, wouldn't he?
Together. Make sure that this bottom one is underneath this one, so in case we get some.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Stuff, but it was straight. To be
Oh yeah, no, there is just where we pounded it. That's all. Oh my God! Are you looking?
Get one screw there. Let's get it flush at the bottom. We'll have to put the level on it. Get that first one.
Super easy.
It's scary. It's so level. It's gonna be off. It's gonna look off.
Yeah, because it's level. Yeah.
But she's got an expert measuring, eh? What? Oh, now we got it.
I knew what you were gonna say.
It's working better now?
Yes. I knocked that magnet in. The magnet was too far out.
What are you doing, Keith?
So I just measured on the outside. So I put a couple screws in. And I'm just measuring where there's a board to put the screw in.
Okay.
You have to put screws down the edge there, right by the corner.
Yeah, but there's a big metal corner that goes off that. So we'll have to take them screws out later on, and then we screw the metal corner on top. So that covers all this.
Okay.
Won't even see that. I'm gonna have to notch this one.
Okay, now how far over do I go up to here, or do I go?
Well, 39 overlaps, remember?
Yeah. How far over? 3/4.
This is
Good. 17 3/4. Of course we can get shit ass lucky.
Okay, we're
What's
good.
wrong with that?
We're good. We're good.
We planned it that way.
We did. Okay. There's room in there, and they tuck this up underneath, so when the rainwater comes out, it pours out instead of trying to get down this way. We're not gonna, I mean, if rain gets up here, there's a hell of a storm.
Oh yeah, there's a hell of it's coming straight at us.
Yeah.
It should be 87 and 3/8. Sure, we'll go that.
39 inches.
Right here, I made a mark. No, this is the piece that goes over top of the other one, right? Yeah, it's the big rib. That's the top. That's the top. Because this big rib's got to go over
The little rib, right?
Yeah. You're 100%. Well, we're gonna go check that before we cut.
Yeah.
Anything. We weren't using our beaner there, were we? Yeah, that's true. Got a little intrigued, a little bit. Huh. Hey, Julie Beans.
Hi.
Alright, let's get a couple screws in there.
Morning.
Morning. How's it going, everyone?
Oh, pretty good.
That's good to hear.
You're making progress.
Yeah, I can see.
Hang on, I don't think that. Hang on, hold it. That'll be level.
Yeah, oh no. Pretty good.
And I'm not being a con. The other way around, because I give you lots of ammunition. It's pretty goddamn good there, Keith. Push that in. Push that in with your hands. Just hold it there for a second. Oh, perfect. Mercy buckets.
We're different thinkers. I ponder too much most of the time.
And there's nothing wrong with pondering, because sometimes it helps you understand the things better. Whereas I rush, I have a tendency to get things done and suffer consequences after. Yes, no?
Yeah. What's this?
You okay with it?
Wasn't screwed down in like that. Should be
Yeah, but that'll be hidden anyway.
That'll be hidden anyways.
Yeah. Okay, let's get
Chances.
another wall. Okay, we're on the rib now?
Yes.
Watch your foot there. Make sure I'm
What's wrong? Get the ladder right where I want to put the screw. buddy.
I tell you. You know, I see, I have that ability just to irritate the shit out of anybody no matter what I do.
Yeah, I can do that. I think that's a
Yeah, but I'm much better at it. Way more experience.
Well, I'll give you that if you want to be competition-wise.
Yeah. Okay, you put one at 22.
Right on her rib.
Okay, go to 16.
Right on her rib.
Get the fuck out of here.
Well, it's one of them little ribs, eh?
What about 17?
17?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do 17.
Okay, we'll put one in there then. That's 30 inches.
17. If you can get one around 42, that'd be all right.
Let her buck.
Yeah.